Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Youth Man. In this video, I'll be sharing some mean comments of 2018. But before we get into the video, if you're into home theater audio and video, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you'll be notified when the next video drops. Alright, so as we're wrapping up the year 2018, it's been an incredible year, but I wanted to share with you guys some funny comments and some interesting comments, as well as some mean comments here on this channel. So with no further ado, let's jump into the comments. From Alan0088. Your glasses aren't compatible with your face. Ew. Rude. Appreciate the feedback, Alan. I'll be sure to consult you before I pick out my next pair. At Youthman. You don't have to consult me, but just make sure you consult someone first. Doesn't have to be me. Solid advice. Thanks, and have a great evening. From Us and Them. Stop looking at yourself in the monitor. It looks ridiculous. Thank you for your comment. I don't have a monitor and my Nikon D7100 does not have a flip out screen. But thank you for commenting. I just watched part of the video and what you're noticing is my right eye drifts. I had an eye operation when I was 2, but it didn't completely fix it. Have a blessed day. From the Rocker XX69. Can we listen to them apart from your tedious, non-stop talking? Probably not, but thanks for asking. From Valu Vaveo. Stop talking, just tested the subwoofer. It's take a lot of time watching your talking. Okay, I think it's safe to say he just wanted to hear the subwoofer slam. From Champer Slimmer Than None. You look like Wallace off of Wallace and Gromit. I can see the resemblance. From Cal Jabrain. Nobody likes a yapper. You got no review. Just moving your stupid dumb A lips with no demo. From Randy. Youthman turns this video into a speaker connection tutorial. Hang on a second. Hello? Sorry about that, Randy. Youthman turns this video into a speaker connection tutorial. Just get on with it already. Chances are very good anyone watching this video already knows how to plug in a freaking speaker cable. You should have focused on the speaker's performance, not the hookup. Now this next guy went to extremes to express his sincere dissatisfaction with me and this channel. This was just one of his many comments before I banned him. From DDDE44. Low level of sweet potato on a couch. No wisdom, no abilities. And I replied, I love sweet potatoes, especially with brown sugar. Thanks for watching. Now I can take all kinds of criticism as long as they're legitimate. This dude had no stinking clue. Every comment was something about sweet potatoes and it was just the same repetitive trolling kind of nature. So I just gave him 2 words, buh and bye. From Oddfile. At CGM Sounds. I mean, it's the equivalent of about having 4 15s. But this is the ladies' lifestyle channel of audio. I love it. This is the ladies' lifestyle channel of audio, not a real review site. Most knowledgeable? Don't travel here. Of course, I had to reply to that one. Oddfile. Does that mean that you are not amongst the knowledgeable ones that you speak of, since you are here? I do not claim to know it all or have it all figured out, but it sounds like maybe you do. From Jason VDW. This video sucks. What did you do? Nothing. Where was the review? Or anything? Good job. You opened a box. Now what's funny to me on this one, it was in response to an unboxing video. So of course I replied to him, not trying to insult your intelligence, Jason, but the title of the video is pretty straightforward with what the video about. Denon AVR X6400H, 11.2 channel 4K receiver with HEOS, unboxing, and overview. Now this last one isn't necessarily a hate comment or a mean comment. I just thought it was pretty funny, so I wanted to include it in the video. Here's what he says. 4K is rubbish. I'd rather let my cats take a poop on it. Really? That's disgusting. Hope you don't have any other technology in your house that you don't like, because it's difficult to invite people over if your house stinks. Youthman. My cats poop 4K discs. They poop on Laserdisc, as well as they poop on Blu-ray, DVD, even HD DVD. You might want to get your cats checked out. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks so much for the comments. Honestly, on a real note and on a more serious note, thank you sincerely for all the comments. The vast majority of the comments on this channel have been incredibly encouraging, especially over the past 10 months as this channel has really begun to take off and begin to grow. And it's a result of you guys. And so as we wrap up a 2018 year, it's been an incredible year for Youthman Reviews. You know, one thing in life you've got to realize is that there will always be haters. There will always be those doubters and naysayers. And in life, if you want to pursue your dream, you're going to have to face those types of people. And so as you can see from most of the comments, I don't have any problem engaging with the haters. And so if you've got some negative comments for me, constructive criticism, whatever that may be, I welcome those. Now, most of your comments have been just absolutely incredible. You guys have been just a huge encouragement to me here on this channel. The content that I provide, you guys have really connected with it, and you've been sharing that in the comments below. And so for that, I'm extremely grateful. Thank you for your support over 2018, and I truly believe that 2019 is going to be even better. Maybe there's a product that you would like to see me review, or maybe a brand that you would like me to reach out to. Maybe there's even a topic that I haven't covered on this channel in regards to home theater or audio, video, maybe calibration, maybe some other testing. I'd definitely like to get your feedback on that. Leave that down in the comments below. I read every comment and I do my very best to reply to every single comment. And so I value your opinion, I value your input, and so definitely leave that down in the comments. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe because I produce weekly content on home theater, audio, and video. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I produce a video. And as always, you guys be blessed, have a happy new year, and we'll catch you in the next video.